Seahorse puzzle, where the goal is to separate these two pieces. Starting positions, a silver piece on the left, we have the head of the seahorse here, a golden piece on the right, and the head of the seahorse. First move, really easy, we rotate to the left the golden piece, and after rotate down the golden piece. Next, golden piece go up, 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 and after we rotate down until we reach these positions. We rotate to the right the golden piece. Next, we're going to continue to rotate the golden piece until this gap can pass this part of the silver piece. Donc we just rotate, 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 and here, like you can see, the golden piece is going to pass this little part of the silver piece. We are here. Now we're going to slide the golden piece and at the same time rotate. Now you slide and rotate. And now the tail of the golden seahorse going to go down. Now tail go down this way. We are in these positions. Now we need to bring back the golden piece up, and at the same time the golden piece is going to go down. Donc up and down. Alors, here we need to find the right positions. Donc, this is the positions. Donc, go up and down. And need absolutely to go down. Let's see, we need to pass this little bump. So it's like that, so we find, and the golden piece can go down. When the golden piece is done, we're going to rotate up the golden piece go down, until the gap can pass this little part. I need to play a few with the inclination. Yes, and like you can see, we have successfully separated the two pieces. To put back together the two pieces, really easy. Now that will be the silver piece, golden piece this way, and the gap going to pass this part. No, gap pass this part, and the golden piece needs to go up. Now we just need to find the right positions. Sometimes slightly inclinations, it's enough. Donc we are here. We're just going to rotate down the golden piece. There, we are in these positions, and we're going to go up with the golden piece. Now we need to go up, up, up. We are here, and we need to bring back the golden piece on the other side. Up, just need to pass the head. Okay, we are here. And now we let down, if I can find the right positions, the golden piece. Okay, this way. No, that will be the positions. A golden piece go up, and the gap going to pass this. Like you can see, we are here. No? Gap pass. We're going to slide the piece to the right. We are here. We let drop the golden piece. We are in these positions. Up, turn, turn, turn. If I rotate, we are here. We just bring back to the left the golden piece. Golden piece go up. We are here. And after done. And now we just going to go up, rotate, and like you can see, we have successfully put back together the puzzle. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.